I always knew that Shadow Lake was a special place, but being here and being a part of this special place is unreal. It's unlike any other school I've ever worked at, ever been a part of. It's this community. It's a community feel. It's a family. Everybody takes care of everybody. Our Veterans Day assembly that was this November, it's the first time in 2.5 years that there's been an open assembly for visitors. And to see our community show up and be a part of that day with us, and how hard our staff worked to honor our veterans and make sure that they knew that they were loved and appreciated. Our PTA has so many programs, so many things that you can join in on and participate in, and also just asking your kid about their day. What was their favorite part of their day? What was the hardest part of their day? What did they learn today? Those types of conversations. And always my favorite part of the day is reading with my kids. Seeing children grow. It's amazing seeing children grow and the joy of children. It's just, I call it going to school every day. I don't go to work every day. I get to go to school every day because it's just an amazing place to be.